All right, we have this amazing handheld car vacuum. This is the packaging right here. Some nice packaging. Set that aside. Here's the car vacuum right here. It comes in this nice little case. Can hold everything in there, which I think is amazing. Let me just take out the main piece first. So we got the main piece right here. The second main piece is right here. So what we're going to want to do is we are going to hook that up right like so. It hooks right in. And this is where the vacuum is at. This is where the blower is at. So we're going to vacuum first. First, actually, come down here. I'm going to just dump everything out on the concrete right here to show you everything. Here's all the different attachments right here. I'm not going to show all of them, but I just want you to see there's tons of different attachments depending on what you want to do. Let's go ahead and let's do the vacuum first, and let's hook this one in here. I'm going to hook that in like so. And we could just vacuum like that, or we could come down here, bring that on, hook that up like so. And now we actually keep our cars pretty clean, but this is the dog bed in the back seat. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to turn. I'm going to press this, hold this button down right here. That's mode 1. This is mode 2. And then you come in here. Maybe want to vacuum some stuff up. Let's just vacuum a little bit. Don't need to do too much. But we got the nice car vacuum. And now the stuff goes in there. You can see there's stuff in, there's just a little bit of stuff. We just picked up a little bit of stuff. That's where it goes. Shut that off. Now, what we can also do is we can come over here, get a blower. Want to blow stuff. Maybe you want to clean like your keyboard at your computer or something, or there's something in here you want to clean. Hold that down again. Press it again. That's the high speed. Come in here. You can blow it around. If you want to clean in there, blow it. It'll blow stuff up. You can vacuum it up, or maybe you want to come in here, blow some stuff in here. Whatever you want to do. But as you can see, this thing's perfect. All sorts of different attachments to get the job done. Highly recommend.